Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel with a weird voice. Maybe the air conditioning is affecting me. Today was very hot here in Edmonton, 30 plus degree. Okay, I hope everyone's doing well. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a new stitch. It's new. I searched it out, but there's nothing out there for the stitch. I did a tutorial yesterday, actually last night, and it's similar to that. It's textured. It has that 3D look. That's what I'm aiming for, right? I'm donating scarves for the homeless, so I'm always looking for a new stitch. Okay, the yarn is super soft. This doesn't have a label because I traded with my other yarn. I believe it's Burnett. That's what it feels like. It is soft, so this would be perfect for a scarf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you at the end how many chains you should chain, multiple, because I'm not quite sure, because I'm working. This is the first time I'm going to be working this stitch with you, so please forgive me if I do any errors, because I don't have time to do a sample and then go from there, because I'm working on my whips and I'm trying to finish them, and it's all time consuming, right? So let's get started. I'm going to chain with my biggest crochet hook I have here, so it can be super soft, right? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using I'm going to be crocheting half double crochets and slip stitches to give this texture. So I'm going to call this stitch the seed stitch. I believe that's what it looks like. Looks like a seed because it's tiny and it's textured. Okay, so I'm going to chain 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, 20 is perfect for a scarf because I make them long, right? And I am going to chain an extra 2 chain. Let's do it a 3 chain just to be on the safe side. Okay, let's do 2 more extra because I never know. So I'm going to, on the third, I'm going to make a half double crochet, and this is going to be hard with the big crochet hook that I have. Here we go, because I'm not used to crocheting with big crochet hooks. Here, half double crochet. That's all I'm going to do on the foundation of this first row, and then we're going to start the stitch. So this way it's going to give us these nice effects if you look at. Okay, I went ahead and I did half double crochets, so I'm going to come to the last one and make my half double crochet, and I'm going to chain 1 and then turn my work. See, on the first I'm going to do a slip stitch, and the second I'm going to do half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. So I should finish with a slip stitch. So I don't know, multiple 2 I believe, but I did chain extra, so we'll see what this is going to end with. But I did do extra 5 chain, so multiple 2 plus 5 I made. So I would say, yeah, I did multiple 2. So I will crochet all the way to the end. So when you look at it, it will give you this texture, and texture on the back, see? On the front. This is how it looks like on the front. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. Let's do it together. Slip stitch, half double crochet. You can skip it, you don't have to follow it all the way to the end. Oops. Half double crochet, slip stitch. Okay, perfect. Half double crochet, and right here I'll go between and then make my slip stitch. Okay, just like this. So we finished the second row, and this is how it looks like from the back and from the front. So from here, chain one, turn your work, and then on the first, make a half double crochet. Okay, right here, make a half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. So we should finish with a half double crochet. At the end, it's a little bit tough due to the texture of the stitch that we're creating. That slip stitch is a big effect. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, a little bit tough, so don't miss those spaces that we're supposed to crochet, right? Because of the slip stitch, it's a little bit tough to see. So I would recommend chaining multiple of 2 plus 3. Yeah, that's what I did, and it turned out perfect. Okay, so let's do slip stitch, get confused, just look at the previous what you did, and then you will know what to do next. Half double crochet, slip stitch, or you can see that the slip stitch is tough to see, so you do a double crochet on top, a half double crochet on top of it. Okay, slip stitch, and then on that chain right there, poke it, I don't know, somewhere there. A little bit tight. So make your half double crochet, chain one, and turn your work, and you just repeat what we did. It's one row, actually 2 row repeat, because we're reversing, right? One row we're starting with slip stitch, the other row we're starting with a half double crochet. So I would say it's a 2 row repeat. And my yarn is tangled. Great. This yarn is so soft. Okay. Half double crochet, slip stitch. It looks like I did a chain. Yep, just be cautious. So when you see a slip stitch, I don't remember if I did a tutorial. If I did it, I'm redoing this. I have a feeling I already did, because I have over 750 tutorials. Sometimes I forget what I did. I forget what I ate last night. So, and the way I'm naming, I forget what I named them. So it's kind of, I have a feeling I did this, but that's okay. A couple of years ago. I'll just redo it. If it's the same, I don't know. But yeah, I just love the texture, and this is great for baby blankets, scarves. Oh, it's endless. Tops, you can make tops, because it looks really nice if you look at it. See the texture, just fantastic. The more you crochet, the better it becomes. See, that's why I don't like trading stuff. Trade. See, this yarn, because it looks like someone worked on it. And then, yeah. Even when you buy brand new, there's lots of stuff comes out, right? Lots of knots and stuff. Oh well, lesson learned, right? Okay. So I'm not even looking what I did. I'm just looking on the next row, what I'm supposed to make. Okay, what is this? This is the made it loose, I guess. So I know it's I think I made a mistake because I'm supposed to finish with a slip stitch. Let me just check this because when I'm talking I forget what I'm doing. And then I think I made a mistake somewhere here. Let me just check it and I'll be right back because we're supposed to finish what we started with, right? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but it kept on going back. So I started with a slip stitch and I finished with a slip stitch and chain one, turn your work. And then so what we do is we're going to start with a half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. So this is all to it. This is all we do. Half double crochet, slip stitch. I will crochet a couple of rows. So I start with a half double crochet. I should finish with a half double crochet. So I will come back. I will crochet a couple of rows and I will show you how it looks like. But it gives you this nice texture when you crochet two row repeat. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to come back and show you. Don't miss that slip stitch. That's, I guess, what I did when I was getting less stitch. So when you're crocheting, that hidden over there is going to be a half double crochet. So the big one is a slip stitch. So that's how you know. So just be cautious not to miss that small one, because we're doing the slip stitch though. When we're doing the slip stitch, it tends to go down and hides there, as you can see here. It's a little bit tough, so try to pick that stitch and make a half double crochet. Okay, I just wanted to please pay attention to that because I think that's what I did and I missed a stitch, so I had to go back 3 times to try to find it. So it happens. So just be cautious, because see how it's hidden there? It's right there actually when you hold it like this, see? Okay, so I will continue crocheting. Be right back. This looks nice. Okay, so I have crocheted a couple of rows just to give you an idea how it looks like. I think it's brilliant. It's excellent. It gives you that 3D look. It gives you the texture. I just love it, love it, love it. It's reversible. That's the nice thing. So 2 sides are same, the front and the back. You can make baby blankets. You can make scarves. You can make anything with this. Multiple of 2 plus 3. Just chain and go for it. Yeah. Dishcloth, towels, cardigans, those cocoon, what's it called? Cocoon cardigans, cocoon shawls or anything you can make with this. I just love it, love it, love it. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to see. Yeah. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comments so I can try to reply to you. And I'll see you on my next tutorial. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.